With the equipment manufactured and ready for installation, a complete series of testing is arranged to ensure the weather stations are ready. Rocky Mountain Testing Solutions in Pleasant View is located just 50 minutes away from the Campbell Scientific Campus. Testing at the Rocky Mountain facility will provide a full system test in a low-temperature hyperbaric chamber. System tests are run at -50 degrees Celsius in the chamber.
We actually changed the program a little bit after testing at Rocky Mountain Testing because we realized we could store up some thermal energy in the enclosure. After we realized it would hold its thermal energy for more than a day, our charge regulator can determine if there's excess power, and if there is excess power, we just dump it into heat into the battery pack for storing it up in case it gets super cold.
Results from the testing center confirmed the designs will hold during the extreme weather of Mount Everest. But will the design allow the ascent crew to install the entire system in the short window of time that will be available while at the summit? Mount Washington is the highest peak in the northeastern United States. It is also notorious for its erratic weather. It still holds a record for the highest wind speed not associated with a tornado or tropical cyclone of 372 kilometers per hour. On January 16, 2004, the summit weather observation was -42 degrees Celsius and sustained winds of 140.8 kilometers per hour, resulting in a wind chill of -74.8 degrees Celsius. With similar extreme conditions that will be found on Mount Everest, this is a great place to test the station.
We took one of our stations up on the mountain on a day that had pretty significant wind gusts and installed it on a demo site that we could try it out.
To validate that the tripod was going to meet the customer's needs and the mounting hardware and the battery pack and everything, we did as much testing as possible.
Dr. Perry, a professor at Appalachian State University, will be part of the expedition team that will make the ascent to the Everest summit. This will give him the opportunity to install the full system in Everest-like conditions. The testing at Mount Washington will allow the team to test the actual installation. On Mount Everest, there will be a very small time frame available to install the system. Each component must be designed to allow the team to put everything in place with gloved hands in potentially severe wind and snow conditions.
We installed the cross arms and jumped up on the tripod, shook it, hung off of it, did some pull-ups off of the cross arms, and were successful in the test to make sure that it was going to withstand the wind speeds at Everest.
During this critical testing, specific areas of mechanical design that could be improved were identified, and changes were made in the final system. The system is now ready.